Hi, welcome to video 2. In this one we're going to be covering lighting, the LED lighting, colored lights. For this example, it will work the same in both the G-Fit and Cycle Room. The app works the same, so we're going to dive right into it. So the most common problem that we have is that the lighting scenes get deleted. First, let's open our app. When I'm done programming it, you should only see one box, maybe two, right here in the main menu. For this site, we only have one box. Let's click on it. These are our scenes. They're all labeled. Let's see if I can zoom in here for you. So we have red and blue, alternating colors, Rasta, red, green, blue, orange, yellow, magenta, teal, red movers, blue movers, green movers. And that's about it. Now we're going to test our lights just to make sure that they work. First I need to turn them on. We're going to sidebar for a minute. First, one of the biggest common problems that we've been having, let's say right now, the lights are right there. They're off. Nothing's happening. Don't see any red LEDs flashing on the back of them. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, no flashing LED on the back. So a lot of these rooms have a master light switch that controls the power. In this instance, the light switch is over here. Now the lights are on. They've been powered on. And if you notice the back of the lights, the red LED screen on the back is now lit up. So that's actually a common problem number one. Now that we actually have our lights powered back on, let me walk you through how to actually activate these scenes and properly deactivate these scenes. Okay, so right here, we'll just go with this first tile. It says red/blue. To activate the scene, double tap the square. Now, I'll show you. The lights are red and blue. So, let's say you want to turn red and blue off. Come here, double tap the square, and it turns off. That's it. We'll go over it again. To turn it on, double tap, turns on. To turn it off, double tap again. Let's say you want to turn this Rasta one on. Again, double tap. Now it's on. Well, let's say you want to just, instead of turning it off, you want another one on. Well, we can go all the way to orange. Now you have two of them going at once. If you turn orange off by, you guessed it, double tapping, but that other one is still on, the lighting, let's see if I can show you, will default back to the one that you left on, in this case, the Rasta one. So now we want to turn Rasta off. You guessed it, double tap again. That's it. That's it, guys. Double tap on, double tap off. Now, to go over how I believe people are accidentally deleting scenes, let's say they're in this page. Let's say you're in this green and blue one. We'll double tap that one, green and blue. And it's got some moving heads in it. you know, it's got some cool things. And, you know, let's say that an instructor clicks tile options, you know, and they want to change the color, but they don't like it. Down here is a button that says delete. Okay? If you hit that button, like I just did, you'll now see that it has disappeared from our chart. It's that simple. Let's refrain from hitting the delete button. Now, if you're a GFM and you're having issues with lights things getting deleted, there is a quote-unquote safe mode, and I'll show you how easy it is to activate and deactivate it. Go into here. Here's the gear icon. This is settings. See right there at the top in the left where it says safe mode? That should be on. And to activate safe mode, that's it. That's all you got to do. To deactivate it, it's the same thing. So unfortunately, well, this makes it to where they can't edit scenes or delete scenes. If they figure out how to get into the settings and hit that button, it will turn off. Another thing that I usually turn off, but I keep finding on, is this box right here. It says it's scene layering. Let's see if I can zoom in if it'll pick it up. Might be too light of a background. So it says scene layering. What that means is you can have two scenes going like I did before. So to make it to where it'll automatically turn the scene off when you bring up a new one, just have this button deselected. Alright, so I threw a lot of information out there. Let's go over it one more time. So we'll go back to our lights. Alright, so again, recap. To turn a scene on, double tap the square. To turn the scene off, double tap that same square again. Safe mode is now on. You can see over here to the right. Let's see. There is no more tile options button underneath the fader. That means right now, nobody can edit these or delete these. That's how it should be. And that is by going over to the gear icon and making sure safe mode is turned on. To turn on safe mode, if it's not already, it's the simple tap the square and the square lights up blue. If you go in there and it looks like that, that means safe mode is not activated and it needs to be. That is it for the LED lighting application.